What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the RX0. So I got this footage from the Creative Commons on YouTube. It was uploaded under a Creative Commons license, so it is free for anyone to use in other videos. So this is skateboarding. I also film skateboarding. I have a skateboarding channel called Michael Relevant, so I have a lot of experience with filming skateboarding. I'm kind of a Sony fan, so I've been filming on the A7S II every single day since 2015 when it came out. And I really like Sony. I like the S-Log. I like the colors on Sony. But I also use GoPro. I've got a GoPro Hero 7, and that's more of what I'm comparing this camera to. It's more like an action camera. I know it's a little bit different than a GoPro. It's got a bigger sensor. So it's got a 1-inch sensor. This is 4 times as big as the sensor on a GoPro, but it doesn't have 4K. So it has 4 times bigger sensor, but 4 times less quality as far as, HD and 4K go. The colors look good. So I really like the colors I'm seeing on the RX0. It's similar to any kind of S-Log. You can really color grade it. So the dynamic range and the colors, I think, look really good on the RX0. Like the 24mm frame is a little bit tight for action sports. This is more of like just a shock-proof, weatherproof, normal point-and-shoot camera. It's not as much of a action camera like the GoPro. Sony has action cameras. They make some cameras with the wide angle. Also, this really narrow point of view and not having stability really make shaky videos, especially if you're trying to film skateboarding with this thing. It's going to be moving around all the time. It's going to be some really shaky footage. So I don't think I would suggest this for skateboarding. The GoPro Hero 7 has great stability. It's like a gimbal killer. It actually does look like a gimbal, when you're filming with it. So especially if you have it on a handle and you're skateboarding. If you're skateboarding and you're holding the GoPro 7, you're not going to see any shake at all. It's going to be super smooth footage. Not so much with the RX0. So as for an action camera, it's not very good. But if you're going to be in extreme low light, it's definitely going to be better than the GoPro Hero 7. The Osmo Pocket works pretty good in low light and has great stability. So I would get a Osmo Pocket or GoPro Hero 7 over the RX0. Also, the RX0 is more expensive than both of those cameras by quite a bit. So I am a Sony fan. The colors look better and they're more color gradable on the RX0, but I would definitely go with the GoPro Hero 7. So that's just my opinion. If you agree with me, or if you don't agree with me, or if you can't stand this video, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd love to hear it. I'll probably respond, maybe. If you guys like videos like this, just reviews on cameras, and I do a lot of videos testing out the Osmo Pocket, and I'm going to be doing a bunch with the GoPro 7 in the future, and just tutorials and just videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder. If you're interested in any of that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.